Optimize your computer's performance for efficient operation and user experience. Follow these steps to boost your slow-performing computer and enjoy a smoother computing experience. Number 1. Give your system a fresh start to clear temporary files and improve performance. Number 2. Ensure adequate free disk space by removing unnecessary files and optimizing storage capacity. Number 3. Keep your operating system, drivers, and applications up to date to benefit from performance-enhancing updates. Number 4. Run a comprehensive system scan with trusted antivirus software to detect and remove any harmful malware. Number 5. Disable or remove unnecessary programs from automatic startup to reduce resource load. Number 6. Utilize disk cleanup tools or third-party software to remove cached and temporary files that can slow down your computer. Number 7. Adjust visual settings to optimize performance by right-clicking the Start button, accessing System, then Advanced System Settings, and selecting Performance Settings. Number 8. Boost performance by upgrading hardware components like hard drives to faster solid-state drives or increasing the amount of RAM. Number 9. For traditional hard drives, run defragmentation to optimize file placement and enhance disk performance. Number 10. If performance issues persist, consult with a computer technician or IT professional for expert diagnosis and further optimization. To know more tips and tricks, like, share, and subscribe to Technical Sagacity.